On today's video, we're going to be reacting to mean comments on our nail videos. Should be very interesting. Overpriced like a mofo.
What's mofo mean?
It means more for you. This is probably taken from one of our how much videos. All your nails are overpriced, Tracy.
I know, my clients were so upset with me. Backwards fist at me. I'm never coming back until my next appointment.
Your prices are just as outrageous as your online personality. Cool out, man. Breathe. Maybe try meditation.
It didn't work.
I initially thought that this person was talking to you, Trace.
When people start talking about chilling out and breathe and meditation, they're
it's me?
always talking about you.
Stop yelling. I'm so sick of your ads. This one is just the absolute best. It's all caps. Like, this person is telling us yelling. Literally telling us to stop yelling by yelling. Show the finished product. It looks like garbage.
Please evacuate immediately.
That's because we haven't shown the finished product yet, maybe?
Might want to finish the video. Actually, Habib, I remember this video and I was going for the garbage look.
Future idea for all videos, don't finish them. So they all look like garbage. So...
Are you burping?
I am burping. I feel bad for Tracy. I hope she walked away from this toxicity. Tracy, I think there's a thing that we do here at work.
I'm just really upset about this toxic.
There's a thing that we do at Young Nails. It's called joking.
I was only kidding!
Thanks for sticking up for me.
Yeah, clap for this person because she got your back.
She does got my back.
Yeah, because nobody else here does. She slops the acrylic all over. Absolutely no professionalism. I cringed all the way through. God, I love this person.
I cringe at myself all the time.
I cringe at you daily.
Yeah.
The thing that sticks out to me most is I cringed all the way through because if you don't like the video, watch this. Stop. No more watch. I can say Tracy comes to work and sometimes cringes at me all day long.
Every day?
Every day.
All day long?
All day long. 155, nah girl, that must be a joke. It's so messy.
I personally like the nah.
You can actually imagine this person like this, like getting angry. No.
Watch the end.
You don't get it on the skin. You get the nails done, and I'm complimenting you, by the way. Okay.
It's the end result that matters, and no joking around.
I'm for real. I'm for real.
The best part is the cringe emoji and the cowboy hat.
What's the cowboy for?
I don't know, but it's just like,
Yeah!
I'd rather watch y'all work on nails and show your products work than hear you flap so much. Please. Flip it, flap it. Flappity flap. Flap. Flap the lippies. Lippity laps. Flaps. You did say please. Tracy, ask me to stop flapping, but say please. Okay, ready, go.
Can you stop flapping, please?
You're fired and get out. Dude's giving nail tips, but look at his nails. Okay.
Nice.
Your skin's a little dried out. Your voice sucks. Like, I was gonna listen to him, and I looked down at his hands, and I was like, nah.
He actually gave me the secret to making $1 million. But then I looked at his nails and told me he's an idiot and walked away. He doesn't have much personality, so he has to try hard to be interesting and enthusiastic. This video is cringe. Let me just say this. Can't talk to my brother like that, Tracy.
I'll talk to him that way.
I'm assuming you're talking about Greg, obviously.
Yes, definitely.
Can be talking about me.
100%.
100% you're talking about my brother. And if you were talking about me, then I would agree with you on all points. Oh my God, don't you see it looks terrible? I'm gonna read it like I'm a Valley girl. Oh my God, she feels terrible.
Why do you just look constipated? Like, oh my God, don't you see it looks terrible?
Dying to know who you think did it better, Tracy or myself. You let us know which one's better. Oh my God, this guy is like watching paint dry. This one is a thing of beauty.
It's just to the point.
It really is to the point. I really have to just give you, I actually like to watch paint dry, meditate, and breathe. We're giving away a professional gel kit. Make sure you're subscribed and comment below to enter.